plenty trial and errors, we made this.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm anointedbusi. In case you see my face for the first time, what's popping? I'm thrilled to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be figuring out a way to make a money bouquet. This is my second attempt, just so you know. Fingers crossed we figure it out this time around. If that sounds like something you're going to be interested in, then do keep on watching. Of course, first things first, we need money for our DIY. I'm gonna write like the list of things that I'm going to be using for this video right here at this corner, or here at the split leads. Like I said, this is my second attempt at making this money bouquet. I learned a few things since my first attempt. So the very first thing that I intend to do for this one today is to make the base. The base, yeah. The base is supposed to be like a cone. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a cone shaped thingy. It's a bouquet. So I think we have like an idea of what it should look like, yeah. So this is paper. I think it's called crafting paper. I'm not sure what it's called, but this is what the texture is like. It's not too hard. It's not hard like cardboard. Yeah, it's not too hard. It's like crafting paper. It's easy to manipulate, or easier to manipulate, unlike cardboard. So watch closely, please. I'm going to fold this into like a V shape. Like I said, we are making a cone here. It's not jazz. This is it. Yeah, this is it. So this is the shape that I'm going for. Yeah, this is what I'm going for. What I'm going to do next is to use my hot glue to seal up all the sides, here to here, here to here, and here to here. I'm done doing that now, and this is what this baby is looking like on the inside. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, it's sealed on all ends now. It's not sturdy. I don't want it to be sturdy. It's not sturdy. I don't want it to be sturdy. Just, hard enough to hold the naira notes that I'm going to be working with. Yes, naira is the currency that we spend from where I am. Typically, I use paper tape, but the way I'm going to be folding the notes here, the tape that I use is going to be shown. It's going to be obvious. I want it to look as professional as possible, not like something that we did by ourselves. So yeah, watch me. So I'm going to take this note, fold it, press it down like so. I'm going to try to zoom in on this part. Yes. Press it down like so. Yeah, and then take this, just like what we did with this guy. Yeah, take this part in and take this part in. But trust me, after the first 5, you're gonna get a hang of it. Yeah, so it should look typically like this. Try to make sure the two ends here are touching each other. Yeah, once it looks like this, you take your sellotape and put it across both, so that way it's secured firmly. I'm going to do that again just so you get it. Take your notes, fold it halfway, then do this, take it in, yeah, and then do like so. Meanwhile, please, if you know where I can get tape dispenser in Lagos, Nigeria, please let me know in the comment section. So please, I legit need you guys help. If you know where I can get tape dispenser, please tag me. Yeah, so you just take this and bend it over, and your note is secured, so it should look like this. Hey guys, updates. It's been a while, just so you know. updates. I'm going to show you how I'm going to be rolling this 100 naira notes. I don't think I mentioned that we'll be using it previously. So yeah, I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? So it's basically the same method here. Grab, fold it in the middle, grab your skewer, then I hope you can see what I'm doing. Place it like so, then use paper tape to hold it. What I do is use the paper tape to hold it twice, top and bottom, like so. You can never be too sure, you can never be too safe. I've got trust issues as a Nigerian. Next up, I just roll it, and now typically, yeah, if I were to be rolling it on a good old day, I would roll it like this. Not like this. It's not. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Pardon me. Now it's not looking like a perfect cone like this one. Do you get? So what I do is just make sure it aligns. This one at the back is hiding behind, so that way. And then I'm just going to seal it up. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Yeah. Next up, I'll just seal it up with a clear sellotape. I do it twice. Like I said, you can't be too safe. Yeah, and that's it. So like this now, it's like the perfect cone. So if I were to put it together, it's going to align. I hope you guys understand me. I'm going to roll the batch I have here and then show you guys what we are working with. My creative process can be chaotic sometimes. As you can see, I had rolled this a different way earlier, but while I was rolling the 200 naira notes that I have here, I was watching a movie Netflix, and then I just rolled it a certain type of way, and I was like, okay, this is not bad, I could incorporate this style, this design with this that I wrote earlier, which was the original plan. Yeah, I could incorporate both, and it's going to look, even way better. So this is what the hundreds looks like. It's so cute. Let's pack it all together. Is cooperate with me. Oh, it's so nice.
Hey guys, voiceover Bussy here. How are you? How's your day going so far? Please pardon me. I lost the initial video that I filmed for this part. But since this was my second time attempting this DIY, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, um, I good thing I had another footage of it and it was pretty much the same steps. I'm not sure I showed you guys, but I later used skewers on all of the naira notes because it didn't seem to stay on just like that. So I, like I said, this is me repeating it. Just poking the sharp end of the skewer into the styrofoam and trying to target it right at the center part. So it's going to look really plump and really, really full. Yes, just keep what I was doing here was I just kept adding it at the sides. No particular formula to it. I was just being creative, Like I said, no particular formula, no right or wrong. I just kept adding more and adding more, only at the sides. And for the 100 naira notes, which you would see earlier, what I did was add it at the outer corners of the bouquet, and I added three three notes that I used sellotape to stick together, and I just kept that in the middle. I just thought it was going to give the bouquet a little bit of a oomph to it. Yeah, so that's all I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
If you can remember this cartoon, or if you've seen it before, let me know in the comment section where. This is the base of my very first DIY video in this channel, my money tower. This was the base. This was where I poked the roses in back then. Oh, come on. Yeah. Wow. It has been, what, how many years now? How time flies. Let's determine the, okay, yeah, certainly. I'm just going to do my finishing touches and I'm going to catch up with you guys in a jiffy. Okay? Okay. Wow, I think let's go for white. I think white. I think I'm going for white. Do I have enough white roses? We'll see. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Wow. I decided to go with the white roses because I just felt like it's going to look better with this. There's just something about it. I guess if you're wondering why I keep bending down, this is why I placed our money here. Yeah. This guy is here. So I'm going to use this. I mean, since we're already using skewers, I'm going to be using these small ones that I have, also from another DIY. So I'm just going to assemble the entire thing together. First, we take the beads and connect of this one. So, yeah. And then we just put it in like so. Do you see it? Do you see how much of a difference that just made everything look? Screaming. I mean, we made this. After plenty trial and errors, we made this. Screaming. I can't get over this, man. I cannot ever get over this. It's so nice. And it's so full and plump and oh. Wow. I can't believe I made this. Thank you so much for watching. Wow. Wow, thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, it came out quite lovely. It did come out quite lovely. Now this part is rough because I have manhandled it a lot, hence why it is rough. But if you're going to make yours, I would advise that you make the cone last. Jigget, I would advise you make the cone last after you're done with the entire thing. But make sure the cone is as big as possible, yeah? So it wouldn't look as rough handled as mine. But I would be damned. What? Screaming. This is the only tutorial you need to know on how to make this money bouquet. Wow, I'm in shock. I mean, I have seen beauty, but this is a discovery. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wow, I'm so flipping proud of myself. I'm going to definitely, I'm going to definitely be taking pictures with this tomorrow and display on the screen here for you guys. If you want to know, go and check my Instagram. The handles and everything is going to be in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Wow, screaming. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up until now. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give this video a gigantic thumbs up and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month, November 2022. It's only that can make it a reality. Okay, so please subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.